Hi everyone, and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals for Friday the 25th of July. Moving on to cable. Cable had a disappointing day yesterday, and that was driven by the stronger jobless claims data that came out in the afternoon, and certainly that accelerated a bit of a decline that we've seen in the last 7 or 8 days now on cable, and it's continuing into today. There's around about 20 pips lower now, not helped by that German EFO data that's just come out worse than expected for the euro, so sterling having a bit of a knock-on impact there through dollar strength, and now we're coming back. It seems to be we're below that $1.70 mark, which I was looking for buy signal potentially in that support zone between 70 and 70.60. Never got one. Both went straight through it. It now looks as though the cable is coming back towards this 89-day moving average. Just zooming out to show you that the last three big corrections have all hit that 89-day moving average and used it as the base of support. So that could well be where we're coming back to now. The immediate supports you've got in place are 69.50 and around 69.25, so a couple of reaction lows there that you could be using as support, but certainly at the moment the momentum is with the correction. The other thing that is that cable is not, well, it's basically now back at a level at which the key late May low was formed. 39 on the RSI was basically where that low was seen. Back now at 39 as we speak. So perhaps this, although this correction is continuing, and you've got the stochastics now in territory which suggests that they are still corrective. The RSI would suggest that now, if the bulls are still in control, which I believe they are, that ultimately there could be a bit of support coming in soon. So that could be happening. But at the moment, the momentum is with the downside, and it has accelerated in the last few days. But as I said, 69.50 and 69.25, a couple of supports that you need to be looking at, and ultimately this 68.77, which is where that 89-day moving average currently comes in. But it is rising all the time, so it will converge towards the price. 68.77 is where that key moving average currently is. So what we're seeing at the moment is that broken $1.70 support, I think, is a bit of a disappointment, certainly for the bulls. But there is still the fact that you have this major support of that 89-day moving average coming in. Now, on the intraday chart, you'll certainly suggest that the momentum and moving averages are all pretty weak. That 55-hour moving average, the red line that has been a very good gauge through the last few days on cable, now is around 70.20. So the initial resistance you've got is 70 big figure, which was a reaction high actually early this morning, around that 70 big figure mark, but also the fact that it's the old resistance, which was a basis of support, now turns back into resistance. So 70 big figure is again now once more the basis of resistance. But as I said, looking on this intraday chart, the momentum and the moving averages are all pretty weak, so it just still suggests that we're in this corrective phase, and you've got to go with this correction lower. But as I said, I'm still looking out for this a potential buy signal, as I think the ultimate trend on this cable chart is certainly higher, and I think ultimately there will be a buy signal, and it will give you another chance to go long on a medium-term basis. But certainly on a near-term basis, cable is under pressure. Anyway, thank you very much for listening, and I will speak to you later.